Hi guys, my name is Ben. I'm here today for Advanced Auto, talking to you about how to replace a car battery. Very simple task, not going to take a lot of time, and it just requires simple hand tools. So let's get started. Just to be safe, you're going to start off by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. After that, you're going to loosen your battery tie down and remove that so that the battery is free to come out. At this point, you can loosen the positive battery terminal and take that off of the positive post. You're going to take out the battery itself, keeping in mind that it's pretty hefty, so you're going to want to remove it carefully. Advanced Auto carries the full line of batteries and most likely has the replacement battery you need for your application. It doesn't hurt to check for any corrosion that might be building up on your battery cables. You can always take a wire brush and just give it a couple of scrapes to clean that off. Drop in the new battery with the same orientation that we took out the old battery so that the posts are in the same location. Don't forget to uncover the posts. To make sure that the battery doesn't move around, we're now going to reinstall the battery tie down. To help prevent corrosion on the battery, we have the battery terminal protection kit, which includes these two little color-coded donuts that you can put around the battery posts, as well as grease that you can coat the battery posts with. This will help prevent corrosion, and this kit is sold for a couple dollars at any Advanced store. So at this point, we're just going to reattach the positive battery cable and tighten that down snugly. And then we're going to reattach the negative battery cable and tighten that down as well. Before you get back on the road, don't forget to reset your clock, and in certain cases, you might have to reset your radio as well. Don't forget, you can always take your old battery back to Advanced in exchange for a little bit of money, but for today, that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to think ahead and think Advanced.